How to understand the pivot matrix of scipy.lineout.lu_factor. How can I manually reconstruct a matrix A that was factorized by lu_factor? A equals plu. My current attempts all failed due to the setup of matrix P. Here is what I have so far. I am looking for the matrix P that makes this line print true. Any hint/link/suggestion is appreciated.
The permutation vector needs to be interpreted in sequence. If PIV sat face 1, 2, 2, then the following needs to be done in sequence, with zero-based indexing. Row 0 changes with row 1. The new row 1 changes with row 2 and the new row 2 stays the same. In code this would do the trick. For PIV sat face 1, 2, 2, P is. This is probably not a very fast way of computing P, but it does the trick and answers the question.
Or with slight refactoring.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.